Welcome. This video will discuss the extremely important skill of translating the values of coded categorical variables. In order to follow along, you will need the SPSS dataset pulse_step2.sav after labeling the original variables. The dataset that results from the work in this video will be step 3. To illustrate why this is an important part of data preparation, along with labeling and checking the measures of each variable, let's look at a few pieces of output I created using the exercise variable. In each of these results, the values of exercise are given simply as 1, 2, and 3. Although it might be very easy for us to remember that 2 is moderate, it might be easy to switch high and low if we were not careful. The result of translating the coded categorical variables will place low, moderate, and high in the output instead of their codes. Let's go back to the variable view. To create these translations, we can use the values column. We start with gender. Clicking on the button with the 3 dots in the values column for the variable gender, we get this box. We place the code in the value box and the translation in the label box. So we type 1 in the value box and male in the label box, and then we need to click add in order to save that translation. Then we type 2 in the value box and female in the label box and click add, and then click OK. We continue for the remaining variables. Smokes and alcohol are both 1 equals yes and 2 equals no. Don't forget to click add between each translation for each variable, and don't click OK until you are done with the current variable. For exercise, we have 1 equals high, 2 equals moderate, and 3 equals low. For treatment, we have 1 equals ran, and 2 equals sat. Now here are those same results involving the variable exercise. We now see the translations for the codes instead of the codes. Notice that the data view still shows the codes. We have not changed our raw data, only told SPSS to show us the values instead of the codes when it displays results involving these coded categorical variables. Let's save this data file as pulse_step3.sav. To summarize, in order to create translations, we can use the values column in the variable view. We need to add each translation, clicking OK only after setting up the translations for all possible values for that particular variable. Setting up these translations makes for easy reading of output, which leads to an easier time of interpreting the results. That's all for now. Thanks for watching.